Hello miniatures fans, this is Christian again, and I wanted to share with you some innovations that have been taking place at Gold Rush Bay Miniatures. The first is the addition of a new line of interior-based products. Just to give you an example, on this Painted Ladies, I only offered before just the hinge system where you'd open this up and you'd fit in these interiors into your house. I did this so that you could have full access to the interiors and you can actually paint them individually. You had to buy these separately. Some people like this hinge system because they could kind of show off the interiors to people that come and look at their miniatures and see their paint job. But what I've also added now is the ability to have the interior slip into the house structure itself. You still have full access to the interiors, but you'd have to slide it off the shell, so to speak, to access it. It's great because you could paint them and everything and see them from the inside, as you can see here. But again, it's different from the hinge system where on the hinge system you'd actually have to open it up. So that's the first innovation. They're both available in all my Victorian styles. There's about I'd say about 10 to 13 Victorian houses and a few Victorian structures available for purchase. And so I've done it both ways. The second innovation I've kind of wanted to expand upon is the reduction in scale from HO scale now to N scale. The N scale is great because you can fit more onto, if you say you have smaller spaces, you could fit more onto your layout. Everything is maintained, all the details are still maintained in the N scale. I had to fiddle around with the designs a little bit, but I've kind of kept the reproductions as close to the original as possible and not lose any detail. It's a little tough to do. Sometimes you have to expand some of the details. Like some of this window details are slightly bigger on the N scale structure than here, but you can't really tell from looking at it. But it actually is bigger, relatively speaking, to the entire house. So to kind of keep those details the same, and now to make it fair, what I've done, because you can't really open this up anymore, this N scale structure, I've reduced the scale of the interiors now of the N scale structure so that you can fit this over the top of the interiors now. So you can still get the advantage of seeing the interiors and not have to stay with the, I'm doing this with one hand here, and still be able to buy the hinge system if you want, or buy the sliding interiors like I showed you on the Painted Ladies. So these are all available on the website goldrushbay.com, and they're also available on eBay, some on Amazon, and I want to just kind of share them with you so you can kind of make your decision going forward. But I hope you like this video. In the next video, I will have some more innovations that I'm really excited about. I'm not going to share with you in this video because it's already a little bit too long, but there you go. If you like some of these miniatures, go ahead and visit Gold Rush Bay. I have about 10 Victorian houses and a few Victorian and also some Old West structures that you can purchase. Again, I really wanted to drill down and give you as much detail as possible into my structures and give you the most detailed structures you can find anywhere for your train model set. Thanks for watching.